These 7 AI tools automate the most time-consuming parts of running a YouTube channel. I tested all of them for 30 days. Tool 1 for script writing, ChatGPT free tier. Give it your topic, ask for a 5-minute YouTube script with a hook, 3 main points, and a call to action. Takes 30 seconds. Tool 2 for voiceover, Edge TTS. Over 300 voices, completely free, no API key. Sounds indistinguishable from a real voice on mobile. Tool 3 for thumbnails, Canva free tier with AI Magic Design. Input your title, pick a style, and it generates a professional thumbnail in 15 seconds. Tool 4 for SEO research, TubeBuddy free tier. Shows you exactly what keywords to target, what tags to use, and how competitive a topic is. Tool 5 for video assembly, FFmpeg with a custom script. Drag in your footage, drop in your voiceover, add text overlays and a watermark. Fully automated. Tool 6 for captions, YouTube's built-in auto captions. They're 95% accurate and adding captions increases watch time by 40%. Tool 7 for scheduling, YouTube Studio's built-in scheduler. Set your video to go live at peak time for your audience, typically Tuesday or Thursday at 2 p.m. Eastern. The complete stack costs exactly $0. These 7 tools handle everything except the actual ideas, and that's what your brain is for. Subscribe and I'll show you exactly how I use each of these every single week.